This is the problem number 8 for GATE 2 2019. The total impedance of the secondary winding, leads and burden of a 5 ampere CT is 0.01 ohm. If the fault current is 20 times the primary current of the CT, the VA output of the CT is. And VA output can be calculated from primary side also and secondary side. Means 20 times fault current is 20 times of the primary. And if the primary current increase by 20 times, the secondary current also increase by 20 times. So secondary current, here it is written that 5 ampere CT. So at fault condition this will be 5 into 20 secondary current. So VA rating means your power, right? So we can write it also as this current square into 0.01 means I square VA, right? So this will be 100 square into 0.01, and that is equals to 100 VA. So this answer is 100.